Sheila. Welcome back, and congratulations to you on occasion of my dualizer. Today, I will be teaching you a simple and easy 5-minute eye makeup tutorial for eye, so that you can get ready quickly and look beautiful. Let's get started. First, I will be using this control palette to contour powder to cover the pores. Afterwards, I will be applying concealer on eyelids. I will also be using an eyebrow palette to define the eyebrows. Next, I will blend the concealer and set it with powder. Moving on, I will be using this gorgeous and shimmery eyeshadow palette. With the brown eyeshadow for defining the crease. We'll apply this eyeshadow on the eyelash line first, and then blend it towards the crease of the eye. Then, I want some chunky glitter with the help of glitter glue on the corner of the eye. I will also apply concealer, glue the eyes and blend it appropriately with powder. Next, I will apply the same color under the eyes for a cohesive look. For eyeliner, I will apply a simple line without it on the upper eyelid and blend it towards the outer corner of the eye. This is a simple and easy tutorial that you can follow to get ready quickly on Dualizer. If you haven't watched my previous videos on Dualizer makeup series, lastly, I will apply eyelashes on both the upper and lower lids and hide my brown bow and nose tip. Be sure to check them out. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share it with others. I don't know, I'm thinking I could have this.